Target and eliminate stubborn soils with the highly concentrated formula of Ecolution Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent. Ecolution Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent is a powerful laundry detergent specifically designed with sensitive skin in mind. It is dye-free and virtually scent-free as not to irritate the skin. Its neutral pH formula is tough on stubborn soils yet gentle on fabrics, prolonging the lifespan of your linens. It also features a cutting-edge surfactant system that is designed to lift, emulsify, and suspend soils, outperforming other laundry detergents. As an EPA-certified Safer Choice product, you can rest assured knowing that Ecolution Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent is a safer choice for you, your staff, and the environment. Ecolution Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent is highly concentrated, allowing up to 64 loads per gallon. It's developed for both institutional and home-style laundry machines and is NFPA compliant, making this the perfect product for all your laundry needs. Ecolution Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent, another great solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.